There must be times when you want to remove the object from a photo, but the erasers from some photo editor tools work so badly and obviously unusable for your eShop, and you don't have enough time or energy to go all the way through pro editors like Adobe Photoshop. Well, at this point, most will just give up and reshoot one, or pay $50 to find a freelancer. What you don't know is that some will turn to an online AI image generation tool called VirtuLook to remove and retouch product images in seconds. It is an online AI image generator that automatically converts your product shots to professional and tailor-made photography at a low cost. Watch till the end of this video to get free export chances. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use VirtuLook to remove objects and retouch images effectively. First, you would open the VirtuLook website via the link in the description or Google Wondershare VirtuLook. Sign up for an account with an email. Remember, each new account could generate 20 images for free. Now you will find two options: Fashion Model Generator, Product Background Generator. In this case, we choose the later. Click Generate Now. Drag and crop the image you would like to remove the object from. When it's ready, left-click the area you want to keep and leave out the area or object you want to remove. In this case, I want to keep the model and the blending machine and remove the Christmas Santa and the kitchen background, and choose OK. Now you will be led to a workspace where you can choose between templates and prompt. Below templates are many style options for the background. You can either choose a pure color or a living room in this case. Click Generate Now and let's see what will happen. Voila! Now we have 4 generated photos with the unwanted object removed, and you even have it retouched and fit into a more stunning background. Even if you are not okay with this generation, you can go to the prompt section, write your requirements to AI, and let AI expand your imagination. We will soon have tutorials on how to make the most use of the AI text-to-image tool in VirtuLook. Make sure to subscribe, and you won't miss more useful tips and updates. Follow VirtuLook on social media, where we have exclusive benefits for fans every Wednesday. Stay tuned. AI product photography made easy.